today we're in Yokohama, Japan, and if you liked that, you'll love the rest of the video. Roll the cinematic. Like I said, we're in Japan's second biggest city, Yokohama, which is located right next to Tokyo. Specifically, we're in Daikoku PA, one of the most popular car meet spots in all of Japan.
Look at this one. That's crazy. Is he giving it a rev? Oh, it's raining a little. Oh no, it's not. It's from the exhaust.
So this place has been going for decades. Every day it has cool cars. It's not even an organised meet. It's just a place where everyone knows where to show up. Usually the weekend evenings are when it's at its busiest and craziest. So for example, tonight we've got a V12 Lamborghini Takeover. I will be doing a full video on how you can attend this car meet and others around Tokyo with all the information you need. So please subscribe if you want to see that. You're all also welcome to leave any questions in the comments and I will answer them. So onto today's video, we will be mostly doing POV photography and filming some more cinematics. I just want to show you the vibe of the location and seeing and hearing some of the amazing car builds. I also wanted to give an insight to some of my editing and photography. I've been taking more inspiration from two of the creators which originally got me into photographing cars years ago, and I've been inspired by their style and editing techniques. They are Chazzy Dog, a film photographer from the USA, and North Borders, a content creator from Australia.
Let's go now. So you going? No. Okay, so we're gonna go in that corner over there. But it also means I'm gonna have to change again.
one of North Borders photography meets. They bring models to photograph, give away free prizes, and you can meet lots of other like-minded people. I will be doing giveaways of my own in the future, so stay tuned.
And then right? Yeah.
I've also previously done some short-length videos on TikTok and Instagram of my editing, but I will do a full-length, in-depth tutorial on here in the future, so subscribe if you want to see that.
普通車エリアに戻ってください。こちらは車の通路です。普通車エリアに戻ってください。こちらは撮影場所ではありません。普通車エリアに戻ってください。
That was insane.